तो उमा जी, आपके लिए सवाल है। आर कृष्णन का पहला सवाल है, आप देख रही होंगे।
या मैं देख रही हूँ। Mr. R. Krishnan, the question by you is, member not submitted nomination form even after sending the official letter. How can society solve this issue? See, when the member is not submitting the nomination form, at the most, the society can make it compulsory. That's what they can do. And they are sending an official letter, keep it in writing that they have not followed the process as per the bylaw. Sir, madam, is succession certificate valid and applicable for immovable property? Mr. Gomes is writing. Yes, it is applicable for the immovable property and it is valid. Next, Mr. Baiju Cherian is writing, is the nomination is 100% and a will copy is also provided, MC refuses to transfer, what action to be taken against the MC? I'm repeating the question, Mr. Baiju Cherian. If the nomination form is 100% and the will copy is also provided, MC refuses to transfer, what action has to be taken against the MC? Mr. Baiju, we want to know the real reason what the MC is quoting as regard the transfer is concerned. Then only we will be able to answer this question. So you can send a mail to us as to what your managing committee is telling. Sudhindra sir, do you have anything to say on this point?
ना, एक ही चीज है, जैसे कि हमने बताया कि ये विल अगर है, इट सुपरसीड्स द नॉमिनेशन। तो विल में जिसका नाम दिया गया है तो उसका नाम पे तो सोसाइटी ट्रांसफर करना चाहिए, ऑफ कोर्स सब्जेक्ट टू व्हाटएवर सबमिशन ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स, ठीक है। क्योंकि ये नॉमिनेशन जो है इट्स नॉट इक्वल टू विल, दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी क्लैरिफाइड, ओके। ये एक टेम्पररी अरेंजमेंट है, एक ट्रस्टी और केयर टेकर को अपॉइंट किया जैसा है। अगर विल है तो सोसाइटी को डेफिनेटली, आई मीन इट कैन नॉट रिजेक्ट, इसीलिए मैम बोल रही है।
Yeah, Mr. Beju, you are telling the copy of the will. Actually, we need the probate. Only will copy does not suffice. Probably MC is not doing because of that reason. This is what we think. So let us know the reason. If there is a will, there should be a probate. It has to got executed. Then only you have to submit it.
ओके, प्रोबेट का मतलब ये है कि जो विल जो है, मैं भी विल लिख सकता हूँ, मतलब जीवित काल में मैं विल लिख सकता हूँ, मैं मरने के बाद मेरा प्रॉपर्टी, मेरा हाउस जो है मेरा लड़के को जाए। ये तो मतलब ये किसी ने किसी का कोर्ट का मतलब किसी का ये नहीं है, अप्रूवल नहीं है इसके। तो ये क्या करता है, ये विल जो है बनने के बाद ये कोर्ट में सबमिट करना होता है प्रोबेट के लिए। प्रोबेट क्या है, एक्चुअली कोर्ट एंडोर्स करता है कि ये ओरिजिनल है, इसके बाद जो भी मतलब कुछ चेंजेस नहीं है, ये ओरिजिनल है और इसके बेसिस पे ट्रांसफर हो सकता है करके जब कोर्ट उसका सील लगाएगा, उसको बोलते हैं प्रोबेट। मतलब खाली विल रहने पर उसका वैल्यू नहीं है, विल को प्रोबेट भी करना होता है। मतलब कोर्ट जो है एक स्टैम्प मार के ये ओरिजिनल, मतलब ओरिजिनल कॉपी रहना चाहिए, कॉपी से कुछ नहीं होगा। ओरिजिनल जो विल जो है वो कोर्ट में सबमिट करके रिक्वेस्ट करना है कोर्ट को, प्रोबेट के लिए दिया गया है। तो वो जानबूझकर मतलब पूरा जो भी इन्वेस्टिगेट करने के बाद कोर्ट ने फाइनली डिसाइड करता है कि ओरिजिनल है, वाकई में इन्होंने मेंबर ने जीवित काल में लिखा है, तो वो सेटिस्फाई करने के बाद जब कोर्ट देता है उसको प्रोबेट बोलते हैं, उसके बाद ही इसका वैल्यू हो।
Next, Mr. Gomes is writing, for transfer of immovable property is probate mandatory? Please clarify. Yeah, we told probate is mandatory and probate is mandatory for the will upon death of the member. If the nominee has 4 siblings, the question is, Mr. Gomes, if the nominee has 4 siblings, what is the procedure for transfer of flat? Is consent of siblings required? I'm repeating the question. If nominee has 4 siblings, what is the procedure for transfer of flat? Is the consent of the siblings required? Yeah, when there is a nomination. Nominee मतलब member death हो चुका है, उसने nominee किया है, उसने एक ही person को nominee किया है, उसका brother 4 siblings है. So in this case, when they go for the succession certificate, they will, all the four siblings' name will come there. In that case, there is an affidavit to be made. So we can declare, Mr. Gomes, you can send a mail to us, a detailed mail to us. We need some more information to clarify whatever you have asked.
तो
Okay.
मैम उमा
Hello?
मैम अभी तक जो भी
Hello? No,
Yes.
Gomes,
Madam Uma is right.
Mr. Gomes,
by what
please
she said.
welcome. Gomes.
Yeah, Mr. Gomes.
Hello?
Carry on, Mr. Gomes.
Yeah. The nominee has 4 siblings.
Okay.
नॉमिनी और मेंबर
Nominee.
Nominee.
ओके नॉमिनी मतलब जिसका नाम मेंबर लिखता है कि मैं मरने के बाद ये नॉमिनी होता
Exactly.
है
Exactly.
वो नॉमिनी है
Yeah.
ये-
The parents died
हाँ
and made a nominee to the daughter. But the
Okay.
daughter has, but they have 4 other siblings.
मतलब डॉटर
So what Uma Madam has said is correct.
तो
Hello?
नॉमिनी 1 सेकेंड मिस्टर गोम्स अगर
Yeah.
नॉमिनी डॉटर को किया गया है ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है वो डॉटर को कितने बच्चे हैं
Siblings
No.
बोलता है सुधीर।
Daughter is a spinster.
उसका siblings बोलता है। Sibling मतलब brother and
Siblings,
sister.
brothers.
They are
Yeah,
four
exactly.
people.
Exactly.
बट नॉमिनी जो है एक ही दिया गया है ना तो डॉटर का
Correct.
नाम अगर दिया गया है डॉटर विल बी द नॉमिनी
Correct. They
Consent-
are telling
consent-
about the procedure for transfer of flat.
First of all, ma'am, transfer of property will not happen till the time there is a succession certificate.
That's what I told.
No,
They
you are
need
just
to-
jumping. He never said that there is a succession certificate. Is there a succession certificate, Mr. Gomes? अगर
Will.
nomination के बाद
There's a will. There is no
will.
succession certificate. Yeah.
Will में किसका नाम दिया गया है?
Will.
On the nominee's name.
Successor.
अगर nominee का नाम दिया गया है, will is very clear about the daughter. The property will go to only daughter.
And what about the siblings? Siblings
Sibling
cannot.
का जरूरत नहीं. Yeah, they cannot. I mean,
Actually, their consent is not required.
not required because will
But the
में
secretary refuses to transfer.
then I mean you need to ask the society secretary to give it in writing why he is rejecting. I mean why he is not processing. Because will supersedes everything. अगर will में अगर daughter का नाम दिया गया है, irrespective of there are 4 siblings along with the daughter. जो daughter का नाम है will में, then will what you call supersedes.
Okay.
Probate किया क्या, Mr. Gomes? Probate किया क्या?
No, probate is not done.
हाँ, so
Probate is
Yeah,
required, is it?
Yeah, get
Okay.
the probate of the will.
get the
Okay.
probate.
Okay, fine.
If
Thanks.
the secretary
Thanks.
refuses to transfer the flat in the
Okay.
name of the nominee,
Thank
what
you.
is the procedure? So I think we have already told, right?
Oh.
Achha. Mr. Gomes, what is the procedure to change the nominee and add? Mr. Gomes is asking, what is the procedure to change the nominee and add a name of sibling? Now, who wants to change the nominee? The member? No. Who wants to change the nominee? The member wants
only.
to change the nominee and add the name of the sibling. Yeah, they have to submit a letter in writing and one more nomination form so that they have to pay ₹100. The nomination will change in the register after due approval by the managing committee.
Yeah, Mr. Gomes, like nomination 100 times भी change कर सकते हैं. Change करने का तरीका है कि मतलब forms मतलब 3 फॉर्म फिर से ले लो जिसका नाम पे आपको चेंज करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल ABC के नाम पे मैंने किया है. ABC नहीं है, मैं DEF के बारे में करना चाहता हूँ और ये रखना चाहता हूँ और BNC को निकाल करके DE को रखना चाहता हूँ तो अनदर फॉर्म लेकर के ये DE का मैं नॉमिनेशन करके भी दे सकता हूँ. एक ही है. Every change requires ₹100 to be paid by the member. That's all.
Yeah, Mr. Hemant is asking, in case of joint owners, is it necessary that separate forms of nomination need to
Yes.
be filled in or filed? A single form with all signature of the joint owner can be taken as they have a common consent of a person being nominated. They have to submit 2 separate forms because signature is different and they hold 50-50%. So the father and mother, though they have one son, they have to submit 2 different forms. Single consent is not enough.
भले मतलब नॉमिनी एक ही हो सकता है दोनों फॉर्म में मतलब मदर एंड फादर लेकिन
Yeah.
मैम जो बोल रही है 2 डिफरेंट फॉर्म सबमिट करना है.
When Mr. Baiju Cherian is asking, when the transfer is a transmission, can the MC society charge the transfer fee? That is, I think, transfer premium he is asking. Are you asking about the transfer premium? It is not applicable. Transfer premium is not applicable in case of transmission.
Transmission is through the court. I mean, what you call in the relationships, like.
Yeah. In the case of death of the member, the transfer premium is not applicable. Mr. Hemant is asking, in case a member has nominated 4 nominees in the form and an untimely death happened of that member, what steps need to be taken by the society? What steps need to be taken by these 4 nominees? What happens if none of the nominees approach the society? What proactive approach the society need to take? Sir, you want me to repeat the question?
No, I'm okay with that. The question is clear.
Yeah.
तो अनटाइम डेथ जब होता है, अगर 4 नॉमिनी है, 4 नॉमिनी डिसाइड करना है कौन उनमें से, मतलब कौन एक ही नॉमिनी जो है वो डील कर सकता है ये केस को. अगर चारों नहीं वो आप सामने आ रहा है, सोसाइटी चारों को बात करना है कि आपका नाम पर, मतलब ये जो गुजर गया है आपका नाम पर आपको नॉमिनी बना के गया है, आप 4 लोग हैं, 4 में से किसी एक आप डिसाइड कर लीजिए कौन हो सकता है, तो वो आप डिक्लेरेशन करके आप दे दीजिए, ताकि आपको प्रॉपर्टी जो है ये एज ए प्रोविजनल मेंबर जैसा बनाकर आपको सौंप सकते हैं. ये प्रॉपर्टी जो है ये सोसाइटी प्रोएक्टिवली, जैसे मतलब डेथ हो गया, जैसे खबर मिला है, तुरंत देखना चाहिए नॉमिनेशन है क्या. तो अगर नॉमिनेशन में जिसका नाम है उसका नाम को कांटेक्ट करना है और बुलाना है कि आप सामने आ जाइए, और ये हादसा होने के बाद ये प्रॉपर्टी जो है देखभाल करने के लिए आप सामने आ जाइए. So this is what the proactive action the society can take.
What happens if, in spite of society proactively approaching these nominees, none respond to the request? Also, what step can be taken if the above case, even the maintenance is unpaid? He's telling even the maintenance is unpaid and none of them are coming forward.
Yeah, if they're not coming forward, I mean, the society has to just send a letter to them stating that you have been nominated by the member when he was alive. Please come and take care. अगर उसके बाद भी नहीं करता है, then obviously it would be in the caretaking of the society. Society तो इससे पहले हमने बताया कि the society will take over the property and they will maintain it. by rent पे दे सकता है, लेकिन sell तो नहीं कर सकते. ओके, सोसाइटी ये लीज कर सकते हैं, रेंट कर सकते हैं, रेंट दे करके वो मेंटेन कर सकते हैं सोसाइटी.
The next question is from Mr. Yes. Okay, if the flat owner is bedridden and has not made will, also unable to do so due to medical reason, that case, what's the right procedure? The flat ownership to be transferred to son or daughter in case of more than one children, transferred to either with approval, consent of other sibling.
तो जैसे कि इससे पहले बताया है, अगर बिल भी नहीं है किसी कारण में भी, मतलब वो बीमार थे, इसके लिए बिल बना नहीं पाए, जो भी स्टेटस है बिल नहीं है, तो गुजर गए हैं, जितना भी सर्वाइविंग लीगल हेयर्स है, दे हैव टू गेट ए सक्सेशन सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम द कोर्ट. जैसे कि अभी माँ अभी जीवित है और बच्चे भी जीवित है, तो कोर्ट से सक्सेशन सर्टिफिकेट लेके आना है. अगर सक्सेसर्स मल्टीपल है, जैसे कि इधर ये एग्जांपल में हमने देखा है कि एक मदर है, 2 चिल्ड्रन है, तो किसका नाम पे ट्रांसफर करना है, वो तीनों डिसाइड करना है किसके नाम पे ट्रांसफर होता है प्रॉपर्टी. अगर तीनों एक एफिडेविट में रिलिंक्विशमेंट डीड या एफिडेविट में लिख के कि यस, मतलब वी हैव बोथ द चिल्ड्रन, फॉर एग्जांपल बोथ द चिल्ड्रन वांट्स टू ट्रांसफर द प्रॉपर्टी इन द नेम ऑफ द मदर, तो both the children have to give it in writing कि yes, we have no objection in transferring the property in the name of my mother. ये सक्सेशन सर्टिफिकेट होने के बाद जिसका नाम लिखा गया है सक्सेशन सर्टिफिकेट में, वो आपस में तय कर सकते हैं कि किसका नाम पे ट्रांसफर हो सकता है, करना चाहिए.
Vishal is asking, dear madam, what is the procedure for a nominee to become legal owner of the flat? Can just a nominee sell the flat post transfer of share certificate to the name of the nominee, and can nominee rent out the flat and collect the rent from the tenant?
First of all, I mean, nominee cannot sell the property. Property cannot be transferred in the name of the nominee. Nominee, as we have said, it's only a temporary arrangement है, वो एक ट्रस्टी है, एक केयर टेकर है. ट्रस्टी के होने के नाते वो सेल करने का राइट्स नहीं है। आपने बोला है कि मतलब रेंट दे सकते हैं क्या? रेंट दे सकता है क्या? बट लीगल है ये, जो भी रेंट आता है that has to be paid to the legal heirs.
The rent has to be paid to the legal heirs. Yes.
जैसे
Okay.
कि
What is the Mr. Rajan Patne is asking? What is the cost of the probate? Sir, we request you to contact your advocate in this case, or you please contact Mahaseva team of people under Ramesh Prabhu sir is there, and you can take the number from the website and contact Ramesh Prabhu sir's office. They will guide you, counsel you, and get it done. Yeah, I think that's all the question session. I could not see any other question in the chat box. Is there anybody who would like to have more questions?
और the answers what we have said, furthermore आपको डिटेल्स में क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहिए, वही क्वेश्चन को आप अगर if it is not addressed, your questions are not addressed which are there in the chat box, वो भी आप पूछ सकते हैं। हम और एक 5 मिनट टाइम है, we can really answer your questions.
सर मैं मिस्टर नोएल का ऑडियो ऑन कर रहा हूँ। मिस्टर नोएल,
Okay.
If a flat owner dies, and now she has willed a flat to one member, one of the 3 siblings, so the son, not the daughters. Now the society is asking for these 3 forms: Appendix 17, Appendix 19, Appendix 3 to be submitted, and notarized copy of the registered last will and testament, and notarized copy of the death certificate. So can society ask all these things if the will is mentioning the flat to the son?
Okay, death certificate is compulsory. I mean, there is no doubt that the society asking, death certificate, certified copy of the death certificate, it's a valid demand. And जितना भी आपने appendix 14, 17 and उमा मैम आप हो लाइन पर? Baila book है?
Yeah, I'm there on the line.
17, 19 and
3.
And 3.
Has the nomination form be submitted, sir?
Yes, nomination is in the son's name, submitted already.
Yeah.
And is in the son's name.
Yeah. See, in this case, 17 and 19, if you see, it's an affidavit. One is the affidavit. The other one is one is affidavit. Other one is
indemnity bond.
Indemnity bond. It clearly says that I am the nominee and these are the siblings, and the other person don't mind taking the ownership in my name. If you read it, that is a declaration the nominee has to give. So it is compulsory.
Okay, just answering you, Mr. Noel, the demand from the society is valid.
Yeah.
Okay. This member, though he is what you call nominee member, at the same time will में इसका नाम भी है, but these forms are required to be submitted by this member 17, 19 and 3.
Yeah.
After this only, and of course death certificate, certified copy of the death certificate, which is compulsory, which is the demand made by the society is valid here.
So if you Mr. Noel, if you see in the nomination form, we had a clause, I think clause number 6, if I'm not wrong. The member himself is very clearly telling if there is more than one, in that case, the holder will give the indemnity, saying that the society people are not responsible. Like that, tomorrow if somebody comes and claims, the society is not responsible. So that affidavit is also important. So whatever they are asking, one thing is you can go back to our session where in the case of event of death of the member, how it has to be processed. Just go and have a look at it. At the same time, yes, whatever the society is asking is correct.
Society is also asking notarized copy of the last will and testament.
So because notarized copy of the will is not valid, sir.
Okay.
It has to be probated.
Probate. Yeah.
उदय शंकर जी पहले से बोल के रखे, तो मैं उदय शंकर जी को अनम्यूट कर रहा हूँ।
Okay.
और उसके बाद एक लास्ट सवाल।
Yeah, good evening, madam.
Go ahead.
Good evening, madam. Good evening, sir.
Good
sir.
evening.
Sir, I've got a query. I just wanted to know, say supposing I have got a registered will, and now the registered will, within how many days it has to be probated? Is it to be probated? Is it to be got probated through the testator, or even the beneficiary can get it probated?
No, first of all, testator who's writing that cannot probate it because the will comes into existence only after the death of the member.
No, quite true. It is after the death only. I agree. It is after the death of the testator. I agree.
Yeah.
But after the death of the testator, it should be probated, or I mean, while he is alive.
No,
While
no,
he's
it
alive.
can't be. It can't be probated while he is alive.
Okay, it has to be probated after his death. Okay,
Yes.
then within how many days? Within how many days after his death?
I don't think there is any time limit, but yes, the will has to be executed. Right? Will has to be put into action. It is only comes into picture only after the probate. I mean, it has to be probated as soon as possible.
No,
according
because
to
it is a registered will. The registration has been done by the testator while he was alive.
Okay.
Ah,
Even
Okay.
in that case, probate is required.
okay, fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you,
So,
thank you.
But there is no time
Last-
limit. There is no time limitation of the time for
दोस्तों,
getting it probated.
मिस्टर नितिन जवेरी प्लीज अनम्यूट। नितिन जी स्वागत है आपका। नितिन जी बताइए, आपको आज के हमारे कीनोट स्पीकर का लेक्चर कैसा लगा? सुरेंद्र सर की जोड़ी और उमा जी की जोड़ी कैसी लगी? और नो बुकरहुड। यस सर।
हाँ, आज का लेक्चर जो दोनों ने दिया वो अच्छे थे, एक्सीलेंट थे। नो ब्रोकरहुड तो मालूम है मेरे को, आइडिया है, उनका भी बराबर था, अच्छा सा लगा लेक्चर, अच्छा लगा, एक्सीलेंट था।
थैंक यू नितिन जवेरी जी। आप रेगुलर पार्टिसिपेंट हैं और ऐसे तमाम पार्टिसिपेंट से हम एक व्यक्ति को लेते हैं, चुनते हैं और उनसे बताते हैं कि आज हमारे कीनोट स्पीकर का लेक्चर कैसा लगा। दोस्तों लास्ट में मैं यही कहूंगा, जाते जाते जैसे कि समय हो चुका हमारा, मैडम आपका शुक्रिया, रागास और सुरेंद्र सर दोनों का शुक्रिया। आपकी कुछ क्वेरीज हो, कुछ रिलेटेड सवाल हो तो आप मेल आईडी पर इनके नंबर्स पर शेयर कर सकते हैं, और नो बुकर से रिलेटेड कुछ सवाल हो तो आप सिद्धार्थ पी ने अपना नंबर, कॉन्टेक्ट डिटेल शेयर किया, उनसे शेयर कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच। इसी के साथ में आपके दोस्त और होस्ट सुनील शर्मा को दीजिए इजाजत। नमस्कार, गुड नाइट, शुभ रात्रि, जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, वंदे मातरम। थैंक यू वेरी मच।